If you live with non-stop noise in your ears, you know that it no longer only affects your hearing. It also affects your mental and physical health, your relationships, your overall quality of life. All of this is compounded by the constant fear of progressive hearing loss. If it was an external noise, maybe a plug would do the trick. But what about when it is being caused by your own body? As is the case with some conditions like tinnitus. Hi there, I'm John, and today we are going to talk about a herbal breakthrough solution in hearing health. That is Cortexi's mission. It will break the course of hearing disorders and other underlying impairments such as tinnitus, hearing loss, brain fog, memory loss, anxiety, and insomnia through a process named neuroplasticity. I am sure you can relate to these problems, but before you just go and buy this supplement, I really have some very important warnings to give you. So I ask that you stay with me until the end of this video. The first thing you need to know is that the market is full of copies. These copies damage your health and your pocket. They cheat you and steal your data. So make sure you are buying from the official site. To help you, I am putting the link to the official website in the description box of this video. Alright? So what is Cortexi, and does it really work? Cortexi's super powerful herbal mix was designed by Jonathan Miller and his team. It contains more than 20 ingredients selected to care for your hearing health. These ingredients are carefully calculated and scaled to deliver a formula supported by modern science that will deliver the best results for your hearing, memory, and energy levels. This amazing formula has undergone multiple laboratory tests, and as a result, its efficiency rate was 100% on more than 40,000 test objects. Each batch of Cortexi is produced here in the United States, in a certified GMP and FDA-registered factory. Thousands of people have already been helped by this supplement, and so can you if you give yourself a chance. If you want to learn more about each of the ingredients and get to know the experiences of real customers, go to the link to the official website in the description box of this video. So yes, Cortexi works, and you can trust it. This supplement is 100% pure, effective, and safe. It has no reported side effects and no contraindications since it is 100% natural with plant-based ingredients, no GMOs, no stimulants, no habit forming. And you're probably wondering, is Cortexi for me? If you seek to improve your hearing system by bulletproofing you against whooshing, buzzing, and clicking and also get a better brain function. Well, yes. Then you found the right supplement for you. I understand that you are a bit skeptical, but know that every Cortexi bottle purchased through the official website comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that if in 2 months you are not completely satisfied with the results of Cortexi, you can ask for your money back. No questions asked. It's a risk-free investment. Here is how to use it. Cortexi is a liquid supplement, and it is recommended that you use it daily diluted in a glass of water before your breakfast or by taking a full dropper under your tongue. You should feel the results within the first few weeks, but I need to remind you that every organism is different and you need to adjust your expectations as well as commit to the treatment. However, in the tests, the results for most people start to appear already in the first week of use. The best results for both hearing and the body, in general, are felt after 3 months or more. That is why the supplier recommends purchasing the packs with 3 or 6 bottles. These even have special conditions like big discounts, US free shipping, and even 2 gift bonuses. Well, we are coming to the end of this video, and I need to remind you of 2 important points. If you are decided to purchase this product, don't forget to buy it from the official website to guarantee all its benefits. Also, commit to your treatment and take Cortexi daily, without missing a day. I really hope that Cortexi will bring back into your life what tinnitus or other hearing-related illnesses have taken away from you. The power to change your life is in your hands. I'll be happy to help you with thoughts and doubts left in the comment area below this video. Thank you. Take care.